Welcome to another episode of Quarantine Cooking, episodes where we show you healthy dishes that'll help you look better, feel better, and live longer. I'm Lino. Join me in the kitchen for your cooking inspiration. Today we're making fish patties. It's very good, it's very delicious, it's fast, it's easy, it's loaded with vegetables, perfect for your children and perfect for this quarantine period. Now, if you have difficulty letting your children eat vegetables, this is your chance. Let me show you the recipe right now.
Here's our ingredients. I'm sure you all know how great malunggay is. It has a long list of benefits. Among them is how great it is in boosting our immune system. It's budget friendly and perfect for the season. We're just deboning our fish and cutting them up into smaller pieces. The easier it is to mince them. We're making fritters, so the smaller our meat is, the better it looks. Let's shred some carrots. Go number 1 on our salad machine. Jam-packed with nutrients. Fast and easy. Celery. And that's the easiest way to enjoy it without getting the flossy, chewy part. A flavorful vegetable. But did you know that mushrooms are a great source of vitamin D? It plays an important role in bone health, as well as in immune, nerve, and muscle function. Once everything is ready, we'll chuck them all in our bowl and try our best to incorporate everything. You may also use canned tuna, which some of us may easily find in our pantries. An egg to keep them all bound together. Walang forever, pero may together. Ngayong enhanced community quarantine, let's all together stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home. We preheat our pan on medium heat. We check when it's ready by dropping a bit of water. Once it fritters away, we fry them. Note that we're not using a single drop of oil. Fats and oils suppress the intake of vitamins and minerals essential to our body. Fatty food weakens the immune system. So by doing without the extra fat, we're doing our body a big favor. When all is well and done, plate it up, take a photo, and inspire others. You may also want to put it between bread.
Wow! And we're done. It was fast, delicious, and no wait, that wasn't delicious yet. Let's try it. Let's try it. Yum. You didn't need fat, you didn't need oil. The vegetables are there, the flavors are there. And it's a very good trick for your children who don't eat vegetables, get their nutrients up. Grab a little wedge of lemon right here. Don't forget to like and share if you've enjoyed the video. And I'd like to give a big thanks to Titanium Lining Corp for making this possible. Give their page a visit. Find most of our videos there. Quarantine cooking. I won't be eating this alone. Let me call on my sister. Sister! Childhood favorite. We remember our mom doing this all the time.